Hi loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today's video is a hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing a silk press on my hair. I have 4C hair. I'm going to be adding in a few extensions using the microbead technique. I have a full video on that. I will link it throughout the video if you're interested in that, where I do a full install of 2 bundles in my hair. This was just a few wefts. But yeah, because I wanted to look really natural to kind of blend in with the length of my hair. But I think it turned out really beautiful. I'm so excited, guys. If you don't know, today is my birthday. Guys, follow me on Instagram. Check out my stories. You can see where I'm going for dinner for my birthday and get the full look. Definitely, I'll have my Instagram linked, so definitely follow me on Instagram. We can stay connected when I'm not posting. Well, I love it. I love the volume. I love the curls. I'm going to show you everything in the video, guys, so definitely stay tuned. Give it a thumbs up if you love the look. If you have any questions, guys, I will answer any of your questions, but I think I covered everything and the video is very detailed. I can put it up, so I definitely can do a full, look at that. I can do a full high bun ponytail. This is my gift from my husband, my Chanel earrings. So I think that completes the look. Alrighty, if you're interested in the look, stay tuned and happy Vlogmas.
So I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I'm separating into 4 sections. I'm using my It's a 10. I love this product. Alright, and I'm doing section by section. The best thing to do is detangle your hair. It'll give you the best silk press. And now I'm just going to blow dry. I focus on my roots first, and then I use my comb and then the brush and just repeat those steps throughout each section of my hair. But I always use the It's a 10 on each section because it's best to use a heat protectant. Alright guys, so this next step is really important to me. I use my hot comb and I only focus in on my roots. Then I use my flat iron. I feel like I achieve the best silk press when I do that, and I just chase my flat iron with my comb and I take little sections, and I only do my flat iron twice. I only go through my hair twice with it, so to minimize breakage. Alright, I'm going by section, taking little pieces and doing the same thing. My straightening comb on my roots, then running my flat iron through twice, and I'm chasing it with the comb. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this flat iron. I love it. It is the Baby Bliss. I have everything that I used, all the products and the tools down below. My hair has really been through the ringer this year. This is my first time straightening out. Trying to drink water because, hey, we're all about health and hair growth. Looking at the back, it's grown a lot since last time I straightened my hair. Okay, so let's get into the transformation, honey. This technique will have the girls and boys shook. All you need is these 3 tools right here. I'm gonna have them listed below. It's super easy, super simple. It's the microbeads. We're gonna attach the wefts to my hair and using the microbeads to link them together. Yes, using these microbeads. This technique, some salons charge thousands of dollars, and I'm giving it to you for free, love, so subscribe. So we're going to section my hair. I'm going to only add like a few wefts in because I want it to be very natural. But if you're interested on a full tutorial on how I install 2 bundles, I have it linked up here. But today I'm only going to use a few. So these are my go-to wefts when I'm doing a microbead install, so they already are kind of measured out. But I got the hair from True Glory in Atlanta. If you're interested, I'll list it below. Guys, okay, so I take sections on each end of the hair, and I take a small section of my hair, and that's what I loop through the bead and connect it together. Put the hair through the loop, and then we're going to take one bead and pull it up, and voila, there you go. Super simple. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find out how much hair will go through the bead. It's just trial and error. Sometimes I grab too much, sometimes I don't grab enough, so you just kind of gotta test it out. So this tool is very important. This is what locks the bead in place, and it's basically like a little pliers, I think it is. I'm not that savvy on tools, so sorry, but this is how it flattens the bead. Yes, and that is how the wefts stay connected to your hair. All right, so I'm just gonna connect the other piece so they can be locked in. I do each end, and that's it. It's so simple, guys. You can add one in the middle if you like. I use very small wefts. I double them, so I typically don't put one in the middle, but on my other video, which I will have a link, guys, I do that on a few of them, but it's really your choice of which you feel comfortable with and secure. But to be honest, I've never had a weft slip out because that bead really locks the hair in place. And remember, guys, comment below if you have any questions. I answer all the questions. If I'm going too fast, if you don't see a particular part, because I can't really see what I'm doing in the back, but I feel like I'm showing you the most important parts. I'm really just taking the wefts, connecting each end to little pieces to my hair, looping the bead through, and I'm just locking that bead in. So what I do to achieve the bang in the front, I'm going to add a few wefts here at an angle. You can see that. I'm just trying to find the placement. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Find a little piece of my hair, connecting it to the ends that I've already spaced out of the weft, taking my bead, looping it through. Okay. And I'm just going to pull it down. And sometimes it's best to kind of pull your hair a little bit just to get that bead to get down to the root. And then we're going to lock it in with our tool. The key to a seamless look is getting it as close as you can to your scalp. And I got a few questions on my last video asking if the beads hurt, and no, they don't hurt at all. It's super soft on your hair, and I love this technique. I actually choose it over getting a sew-in, and it's way more versatile. I got dressed and did my makeup off camera. I want to cut this hair. I want to do something really different, something really natural. And I think this is really going to frame my face and give me a whole new look, because I typically do like 18 to 24 inches. So this is going to be really different for me, and I think I'm going to love it. Ladies, I'm no professional. I just know what I like, and I love to do my hair myself. I'm a true do-it-yourselfer, especially when it comes to hair, when it comes to a lot of different things. So if you learn something, that's great. If you have any questions, I will do my best to answer them. But I'm just hacking away at this hair, and I just trying to find that sweet spot and layer in it, and that's mainly what I'm doing. So let's get into styling. I'm using my Conair curling irons that I got from Walgreens. I'm just curling a few pieces and framing my face. I'm taking it to the front and a few to the back. I know that underneath I wanted to do a flip, so you'll see that. But we're just having fun, listening to some music. I'm getting ready for dinner. But yeah, so yeah, I did like a little flip at the bottom, curling the back. I don't want the curls to be tight. I want them to be super loose, super fun. You know, just a nice little wave, and to give the hair some volume. I'm feeling myself. Cute. I'm loving it. I love it. It just looks so natural. I think it really just brought my face out. I'm 35, honey. I'm grown. I'm sexy. The kids are a grandma, and good night.